inflammation is a healing process. Now, a lot of times when we get somebody with chronic traumatic knee, with chronic shoulder, or anything else, we're literally tell them once you restore the nerve supply to that area, and you stabilize the pelvis or any other altered biomechanics, we tell them to put heat on a chronic injury. What does heat do? You're increasing inflammation, but you're also increasing these cells called macrophages that get in there that chew up the abnormally placed blood proteins. That would be chewing up a bruise. Or since you have those cells, those literally break down abnormal cells. They're amazing. Those macrophage activity, then it increases lymph flow, it increases blood flow, it increases synovial fluid and bursa fluid production. So we increase inflammation in joints to regenerate the tissue. Chronic inflammation is a lot of damage to the tissue. Chronic inflammation means that the underlying physical, chemical, and emotional stressors are not addressed. That means it could be a gut issue. And this is where inflammatory bowel disease, they typically decrease that inflammation without addressing the gut flora or the causative factors. Chronic inflammation is bad, and it's treated even worse, but it really is an alarm telling you that it's a tissue repair problem. Inflammation isn't a dragon trying to attack you. Inflammation is a healing process.